Dave Petromella. I'm with Esnatech Technologies. I'm the VP of Business Development. I'm actually a principal in the company. I manage all the sales, marketing, BD, and sales engineering at the organization. We're a company that's been around actually for 20 years. Our core business is around building applications focused on presence, messaging, and mobility. And one of the things we do is we integrate business process with existing infrastructure. We go to market through a series of OEM relationships as well as tier one voice providers selling our solutions. And most recently, one of the biggest things we do is we focus on integrating cloud solutions within an organization. The sort of advent of public and private cloud with Salesforce and Google, we've become sort of a premier partner with those vendors of integrating voice infrastructure and allowing organizations to seamlessly migrate cloud services and applications into voice and video infrastructure. From an application standpoint, a lot of organizations today are saddled with a lot of legacy voice solutions. This could be messaging, could be an IVR, you name it, fax solution. People are paying big money just to manage a declining technology. So what we do is we provide them an application framework that allows them to invest into one solution, one license, right? And then integrate their voice and video infrastructure into different core business solutions. One of the biggest value propositions we see with a lot of organizations is they're moving one or two core business process. Salesforce automation, maybe it's email, groupware into the cloud. How do I now make that work with my whole existing environment that exists on premise behind my firewall and work together like one unified solution? So our focus is by investing in technology, software, not hardware, leveraging their existing physical investment network and voice infrastructure, make that work seamlessly with these sort of different core business solutions that they're leveraging or migrating with an ROI to the cloud, whether it's Salesforce automation, CRM, or ERP solutions. I mean, by integrating Avaya's agile communication environment, ACE, with our application server, telephony office links, really allows us to address the application side, the cloud. We can now focus on integrating these voice services into different cloud applications, different cloud environments, and then with the emergence of social networking, extending that beyond just core business solutions. So you can imagine the amount of manpower and development that goes into not just developing the application, testing it, validating it, and making it a trusted platform. ACE opens a door for us. We now focus on our development of using ACE as that framework to support all these diverse, complex environments. It's tested, it's approved. Avaya on the back end with that environment gives us all the trusted elements we need. And now we can extend not just a single enterprise. We can now become a pure private cloud application where we're talking to ACE and it gives us access to a whole network of different organizations, and we can share presence and status across that whole environment and then integrate that whole diverse, complex environment into that cloud as well. So imagine someone in Google Apps, right? Organization that might have a Cisco and Avaya, a Nortel across the globe, and now ACE and Esna are the brains and the hub to the cloud and to that voice and video network. But it now affords us to look at the buy versus build decision. So if we're looking at a sort of niche application, instead of building it, we could look at other ACE partners and see what they've developed and integrate that into our solution without actually having to build it ourselves. Traditionally, for me to add one PBX or one environment, that could be anywhere from 3 to 6 months time frame in terms of tested, validation, go to market. I shortened that from 6 months to a month by just supporting ACE. So it's been exponentially helpful for us to get to market and provide and focus on applications for our customers.